Installation of a faceplate, blank or accessory into a PMT console involves utilising the PMT console rail system. To begin, ensure the faceplate is assembled as required depending upon the equipment being installed. Here, with the example controller unit we're using today, the unit is inserted through the faceplate and the side mount ears must be attached to the unit prior to being installed into the console. Once assembled, and after connecting all required cables, position the faceplate over the console, ensuring one hex nut each side is available for securing each left and right faceplate screw. Using an Allen key placed through the faceplate screw hole, align the hex nut with the holes as shown. When installing into the angled section of a console, foam strips are installed at factory to aid with positioning of the hex nut during installation. These are also installed into the ends of the console rails to reduce risk of nuts becoming lost. The faceplate can then be placed into position and screwed into place. You may find this process easier by use of a round head Allen key. Ensure each screw has been tightened up snug, but ensure not to over tighten as this may deform the faceplate. This floating nut style design allows for multiple installations to be repeated, extending the service life of the equipment. If additional hex nuts are needed during install or replacement of mounted equipment, multiple locations are provided for this in PMT consoles to make the process easy and fast. These locations include at the rear of the console or the front sides of the console, both on the driver and passenger sides. An Allen key or similar tool can be used to slide the nuts along the rail into position. For more information on PMT's full product portfolio, visit precisionmounts.com.